Wait, we just step into heaven. We definitely want it, we're gonna come all this way.
How are you going to pay?
Are you supposed to be paying?
Transfer, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, yes, YouTube. Why the hell you think there's a van behind me? Had to borrow this van quick. Can't believe it's that time, man. Finally on the way to get a bike. I'm at a service station in the middle of the M1. Far away from my house. With the old man. Getting some little McDonald's on the way, man. Finally got that 250 coming by. Too excited, and we got it just before summer. Well, let's go see first in it. Apparently it's got 10 hours on it. Meant to be brand new. Real good deal. 2025 YZ. Let's go.
Get some
What shall I get?
napkins.
Some napkins. Are you starting to eat without me, yeah? You know we have to get extra burgers. Look crispy. Aye, imagine my old man say, I told him I get the McDonald's. He said, no, I get the McDonald's, you get the bike. I said, that don't make no sense, mate. I'm still a bricklayer. Aye, McCrispy, you know we gotta get 2 extra burgers. Yeah. Hey, McDonald's, sponsor this video. Otherwise I'm gonna start cussing the burgers. Damn, my people, I just found a lovely little dealership. A little farmhouse place. I did not expect all these bikes. Wait, we just step into heaven.
Place on his side.
Wait.
Yeah. What's it doing?
Dad, he knows about YouTube, trust me with the bikes. No, we just do some YouTube. But this
What
is
do you
the
do
beauty.
then?
Mainly wheelies, but some track riding as well. That I've been into.
Can you lift this off forward then?
Oh, guys, this panel looks choppy. You need to just hold that there, hold that like that a minute. Now we're right. Wheelies, my lad wheelies. He does the British Champ. We used to the British Championships, but he does vets now.
Oh, okay.
Rides a 96 CR, 2-stroke.
Oh, nice.
He test rides for Triumph. He's their official tester for new Triumphs. I've got it.
Oh, that's the bike we come for. Come for the 250. Only 10 hours on it. But he's got loads of bikes here, man. This is 25 Racing. Lovely place. I did not expect all these bikes. Got the old school Hondas there. New bikes. Everything you want. And we've got all the parts as well. That's nice.
Andy, can you help me?
Yeah, the car, you Andy.
Andy.
Yeah. Mr. Big. Oh, don't worry. He's got it. He knows how to do these better than me.
This is a Kawasaki, Andy.
Yeah, that's a little KX as well.
That's a 450. This one.
Now he's talking about this little one.
Okay, Alex.
Focus,
When we repaired that one, we make graphics for it. We do graphics. Them's our graphics on that.
Oh, okay. You do the graphics, yeah?
We do them, yeah. It came out of DRD. It's not an import. It's got all paperwork with it.
Yeah. No, I saw the company. So yeah, well, somebody obviously bought it from them. They put 10 hours on it, and then said they didn't really want it. It wasn't for them.
Yeah.
Boy, it might not be for them, but it's definitely for me. Boy.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks lovely.
Can you change this, Andy?
Yeah. I can change all of these. I'll probably take these new new plastics off. I might take these off. And just obviously slide them to the side, so they got the original ones.
Yeah.
Because I'm definitely going to drop it. So.
Yeah.
As you would.
Yeah.
Oi. It's got all its oils and everything in.
It's everything. It's just ready to go.
Ready to go, yeah.
Is this?
No, that's extra plastic. Look,
Oh, I
it's
see.
looks like a
Stop
protective.
scratching it.
It's like a protective plastic.
There's only this one that you can change, basically.
Yeah, don't even worry about that. I'm gonna make it worse. That's not a problem. That's normal. It's dirt bikes.
Okay.
As long as everything else is clean, look, you can see the rims, everything. There's not even really no marks on the thing. And he says it's on the app anyway, so I'm gonna put that app on when I get home. So we have the hours on the app, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't need to bother doing it all now with the.
No.
No, yeah, I don't need to bother that.
It's brand new.
Yeah.
You want to start it?
Yeah, let's start it.
go.
And look, you see this one, Dad, yeah? So on the app now, you like hold this one, I believe, and you can flick from 2 different maps. You understand? Oh, there you go. Wow. And the blue levels are nice as well.
You can see him on the YouTube. Like he does these wheelies and stuff with the Kawasaki or Spartan, the website.
Anyways, we already know what we came here for, so we definitely won it. We're gonna come all this way.
Are you going to pay?
Are you supposed to be paying?
Transfer, okay, yeah.
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 Alright. Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. I'll be honest with you, this is the best bike I've ever had. Like, this is the newest, best one.
Newest.
Yeah, this is. Yes, YouTube, man. I can't believe it. I can't actually believe it. You know when you get another bike and it's still sinking in that I got this bike, bro. This is the newest bike I ever got, man. 2025 YZ250F. I've been talking about it on the channel for a while, man. I have been saying for a long time now. I haven't had a bike for a year now. That this was the next bike to get, because I started off with the KX450, not my first bike, but yeah, it was still too much power for me, especially when I went to the track. On wheelies, it was wicked, it was fun. Obviously, I wasn't a total beginner. I've been on and off bikes my whole life, but never like that serious, if that makes sense, just messing about. So the KX450 was like the first bike I coasted, got good at wheelies, but then I was like, damn, when I was on the track, I needed 250. Why this is such a great beginner bike, man, and why I wanted this one so bad. Firstly, the suspension. The suspension is meant to be amazing. Power is meant to be amazing. So yeah, great. So there's no reason now not to get good with this one. Just gonna make my life a million times easier. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I think I picked this one up for a great deal, man. Like I found that sweet spot that if you got enough money to spend, I spent $5.5 grand, yeah. But it's a 2025 with only 10 hours. So it's like you're getting a brand new bike, but you're not paying 7, 8, 9 grand. Do you get what I'm saying? So I don't think it gets better than that. Most of the bikes I've got have been like 2 grand to 4 grand. So yeah, for me, this was the best deal I've ever had in it. And man, if you ain't got money for a brand new bike and you get a 10-hour bike, that is a new bike to me, man. So yeah, so I'm looking forward to testing this out on the track. I already tested it out on the street. And you're gonna see the next video in like 5 minutes what happened. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, definitely don't make the same mistake I did, man. Don't go get a 450, don't go get a 2-stroke 250, because you can do it, but you're just gonna set yourself back and it's just gonna take much longer to progress. So yeah, this machine, man, I can't wait to test it out on the track. I can't wait to ride it 24/7, to be honest, man. I can just stay on this bike all day and put that seat time in. So yeah, let me know what you lot think of this bike, man. What should we start it up? She's looking fresh. Oi. Alright, man. Jesus Christ. Fucking hell. I'm not gonna lie. Man, I can just stare at this all day. But yeah. Stay tuned, man. Subscribe. Because we've got a long road ahead of us, man. We're gonna get that real control. We're gonna hit the track. We're gonna hit everything, man. We're gonna hit the streets. of course. And yeah, leave your egos aside, man. 250 is more than enough power if you're on my level, yeah? I'm not talking to you big boys, mad people, races and stuff like that. If you're on my level, bro, and you're just having fun, trust me, we can't even use these bikes to the full potential anyway. So yeah, have fun, man. We'll see you in the next one.